Hi sewing friends, I'm Karina. Welcome to my channel, Lifting Pins and Needles. Today I have a really fun vlog for you, and I want to share my big 4.0 birthday haul. You're watching this on the 21st of February. My birthday was actually the 20th, but I am filming this on my birthday, just back from the fabric shop. So yeah, I went a little bit crazy. My husband drove me to a city called Americana. It's a city that has a big industrial textile area. I went once last year, and he'd promised to take me again for my birthday, so I went there for a while this morning, and it made all the bitterness and sourness of turning 40 sort of go down a little bit. I mean, I haven't been anticipating this birthday. I was super happy when I turned 30, but now that I'm 40, I feel like, yeah, age is hitting me hard. So yeah, let me know how your 40 was. I haven't cried yet, but I'm not that thrilled about it. I think it'll take a while to sink in, and if people ask me my age, I'm gonna be like, yeah, 40. So yeah, I am 40 today, and I'm going to share with you all the fabric I got. Now, I got some sort of different styles of fabric that I really wanted to have and was needing. You're gonna see I don't have much of this, you know, that I've shown you before. So we'll start with the boring ones. I got some gray French terry, and now this French terry is really hard to find. It's so soft, it's so lovely. That's how it looks like on the other side. Super nice, and yeah, no plans, I just liked it, and it's so nice and soft. I got some rayon spandex in this stripy blue and white print. This could be good for me and Martin. Then I got this other one. I'm not sure what this is. Look, this is how it is on the right side. It's very soft, it feels like cotton, but it's got some sort of weave. You can see some texture, and that's how it looks like on the other side. Now, when I go to these shops, I never know what things are. Like, they're on rolls, you know, I don't know what they are, like the content. I just go by how they feel and the weight and how they drape, and I really like this. So I got 2 meters of that. Now, this one's a really nice one, and it's like polyamide. It's like, I could make tights, like leggings with this. No, that's the wrong side. The wrong side is totally black. The right side has these stripes, and I can see making like a fitted dress out of these. I think I got like two meters of these. These weren't cheap. These fabrics are not like cheap, but you know, they're nice fabric. For ages and ages, I'd been looking for black Ponte Roma, and I'd found in other colors. I have some in my stash in like brown and purple and green and whatever, but I never found black. And I found some black, and I got a lot, like 3 meters, because it'll always come in handy, and I wanted to have some black in my stash. Well, black is not a color, but I do use it a lot. The next one was in a remnants bin, and it's also super high quality polyamide. It's also suitable for leggings, but I'm not gonna make leggings. These stripes are horizontal, but it's really nice, like beige and white stripe. There's like 2 meters of that there. Now, these are very, very good quality ones, like really, really good recovery. Now, this is the same type in this gray. Now, I don't know what to make with all of these. I just got them because I like them. And these types of fabrics, high quality like these, I can't find them locally, like closer to where I live. I can just find them in that city, so I just, you know, I just got them. Super nice gray. I don't usually sew that much with gray, but I do want to start like putting some gray in, because it does really go with other colors too. I've got these 3 colors that they say that, I don't know what it is. They call it elephant skin. I don't know, but it is like a structured thick knit, and on the wrong side it's just plain, like soft, but on the right side it's got that texture. So does it look like elephant skin? But it's lovely, it's super lovely. Now, these were about $12 a meter ish, so they weren't that cheap. And I got in green, gray, and brown. I got 2 meters of each of these. And yeah, I love how the fabric feels. It's such a good like weight, and the way it hangs, it's just beautiful fabric, and I have no idea what it is. Okay, so I'm almost done with the knits. I found this rayon spandex in black, but it's not just any old black fabric. It's got some texture. Now, can you see that texture? There you go, there you can see it. See, it's got that texture. I think it's really lovely. It's very nice, thick fabric. I love it. Like, I love this. So I got a lot of it, like a lot. In my standards, it's 2 meters, you know. Here's another rayon spandex with this color, sort of like a light tan color with black. And the last knit is this rayon spandex in snake print and red. I don't do animal print. I don't really especially like feline print, like leopard, tiger, sort of, you know, that sort of print, but I can deal with zebra, cow, giraffe, snake. So yeah, this is really cool. I liked it. So those are like the neutral sort of boring ones, boring-ish, you know, but now I've got all the prints. I went to a shop where they had remnant bins, very like nice fabrics in there. They were all like 1 meter cuts, and I got some stuff. This is like a, look, I don't know what it is. It's a polyester for sure, but it feels like silk. It feels beautiful, and I love all the colors there. It's just a really nice fabric, and I got that one. And then I got a whole bunch of chiffons, because, you know, I like that. So I found this one that's really interesting, because look at the print at the back. So if I place any pattern piece on the fold at the back, I'm going to have those diagonal lines in red. I just find that super interesting, like for a blouse. And I mean, I love red, white and black. I really love that combination. So I got 2 pieces of those, so 1 meter and 1 meter, you know. And then I found this one. It's got humongous roses and green, also really sheer, you know, you can see me through that. I really like this one as well. And then I found the crepe. Now, I bought the same print in silk last year for my nieces to make them a dress. Now I found the same print but in crepe. So navy blue stripes with those flowers. It's sort of like a border print sort of thing, because it's got the borders there. I don't know how I would sew this, like, but I like it. I've got 3 to show you left, so it's been like rushing through them. So while I pause, I like wipe the sweat off my face and like try to look decent, because it is so hot. I have 2 printed linens and I really like them. So I just got 1 meter of each. I plan to make skirts with these, so I don't really need that much yardage. Let me open this. White with a black big print. Now in this shop, they had a sample made there on a mannequin, and like wide leg pants, super nice, really like classy looking. But yeah, I just want to make a skirt. Now I talked to the sales man. I'm like, is this gonna bleed? Like, is that black going to bleed onto the white part of the linen? Because that would be tragic to have like this sort of gray, horrible, you know? And he said that they do test the fabric, that you need to have special care. You need to wash it by hand in cold water, very fast soak, not leaving it there to soak, you know? So I will have special care with this one, because it's too pretty to ruin it by like not washing it properly, you know? Any tips I would appreciate, because I'm not experienced in washing like these types of fabrics. And the other one is similar. It's also a linen with a big print, but the background of it is gorgeous coral. So I also want to make a skirt. Now, I've said before, I don't go with the trends. That doesn't mean I don't like the colors that are sort of popular. If I like the color, I like this color, and I know it's the color of the year. So I don't mind making a few pieces in the styles that I like the styles of clothing, you know. So I really like this one. And the last one is a stretch cotton sateen, and it just caught my attention. The colors, you know. There you go. So that is all. That is my birthday fabric haul for my 40th birthday, sponsored by hubby, of course. And I'm super happy. I mean, this shopping trip just made the day not seem so dreary, you know, because I actually said yesterday to my husband and my son, I'm going to be crying tomorrow, but that has not happened. So I'm just going to show you what a mess I made on the floor. Look at that. All the fabric is a big, huge mess. So yeah, I gotta tidy this up and get it washed and everything. Whenever I buy fabric, I like getting it sorted like as fast as I can. Depends on the type, I'll serge the edges so they don't fray when I throw them in the washing machine, you know. So that is all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon. Bye.